Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to check in online on Brussels Airlines. First, download the Brussels Airlines app from the App Store or Google Play. Open it and sign in or create a new account. Next, go to My Flights and select Add Booking or Check-in. Enter your booking reference, first name, and last name. Then tap Continue. From here, you can check in for your flight, get your boarding pass, and see any important flight information before takeoff. And that's it. That's how to check in online on Brussels Airlines. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.